guys, it's a little before 5 a.m. Sunday morning. We got a call from the ranger yesterday, and they're taking a convoy into the campsite this morning. Apologies for the voice, very early in the morning. We're heading down to the Margaret River area again. We're meeting up with the people who are taking us in at the fire station at Witchcliff, so hence the early morning. They're taking people in at 10. We want to make sure we're there on time. So just about to have brekkie, get ready, and then we're going to shoot down there. I may shoot a bit of footage once we get to the fire station, but apart from that, it'll be mostly just the drive in to Conto to see what's left. We are a bit hopeful this morning because we've seen an aerial shot that shows the campground has largely survived. Parts of it have burnt, but it's mostly just the edges. So off we go, and excuse the morning face and the morning voice, but I'll improve as the day wears on. So it's just a matter of heading down, packing up. It'll probably take us a couple of hours at least, and then we have to make up our minds whether we drive all the way back again or we spend the night in Bustleton. So we'll see what we feel like by the time we've got close to packing up. Well, thanks for following our rather disastrous little trip, and I'll get back to you a little later in the day. See ya. We're just waiting now for all the members of the convoy to turn up, and then we'll be heading out to Conto, and we'll see what's there. It looks like it's pretty good from the aerial shot, as I said before, so we'll see once we get there if there's any damage at all, or whether we've managed to get away with no damage. Not much else to do at the moment, so we'll see you again as we're on the way in. Last time we were coming down this road, we were racing to get the second car out of the campsite. This time it's just a matter of getting in to see what's there. So very shortly we'll be able to show you what the campsite is like and what has survived. Fireys.
We come first just to make sure that...
Don't know.
We came first. We went out.
And here you can see the start of the areas that have been burnt, quite a long way down the road going in. A couple of days ago, this lot was all completely on fire. You can still smell the smoke in the air. There you can see there's still a bit of fire there, a little bit smouldering. amazing. Here's a bit that's fairly intact.
Just like
Yeah, there's a little bit of burning around here, but not too bad. More green than black. Yeah, still bits burning here and there, smouldering away. So very, very shortly we are going to see exactly what condition everything's in. Well, let's move down a bit, but it looks like it's more or less intact. Well, I've got to say, that's amazing. You wouldn't think, looking at this, that there had been a fire anywhere near here. This is pretty much as we left it.
go baby.
No cinder damage by the looks of it on anything. Let's just check all the tents. Obviously the tops here have been pushed down in the wind. But apart from that, it looks like we got away with it. Jeez. Goodness me. Yeah, this has just come down with the wind, I'd say. Everything looks like it has survived. You can see a bit of ash perhaps on there. Whether they drop these to allow the ash to come off, I don't know, but it looks perfect. It looks like we really got away with this. The fireys who saved this place have really done an amazing job. Now we've got to do the long job of packing up. We'll get all this unlocked. Even the old solar lights I left there, they would have been turning on and off at night. Lonely little lights in the campsite. Goodness. Well, that's amazing. We got away with it. Wow. Doesn't look like there's any damage to anything. Okay, well, I'm going to put the camera away now, guys. That's it. We're going to have to spend a couple of hours packing all this up, and by the time we finish, we've got to make up our minds whether we'll stop overnight in Bustleton. But if we've got enough energy, we'll be heading home today, if not tomorrow. But yeah, you look at this, you hear the birds, and you would not think the fire had been anywhere near this spot. It's pristine. It's like it was the day we picked the car up and got out of here. Wow, amazing. Well guys, thanks for watching, and hopefully by the time we get out again, whenever that's going to be, you'll join us on our next little adventure, and I really hope it's nothing like this one. It's both a sad and a happy end to the trip. Sad in that we didn't get a holiday. We were here for one night. We got a chance to set up, then the fire started the very next morning, and pack up today. So it's almost the same as setting that lot up one day and packing it up the next. A bit tired now, so we've decided we're going to stop the night in Bustleton. It's taken us 3 hours to clear all that up. You can hear from my panting. I'm usually puffing like an old fart. Now I'm, oh God, panting like a dog. But that's it, guys. All done.
Sadly, it wasn't the trip we hoped for, but it wasn't anywhere near as bad as it could have been, so we've got to be grateful for that, I guess. And we'll catch you on the next video. See ya.